Hi everyone, welcome to another Chinita cooking session. In today's episode, I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite dips to make. It's a smoked oyster dip and it's a great party favorite and it's incredibly delicious. So let me take you through the ingredients. I have a bar of Philadelphia cream cheese, a teaspoon of salsa macha. You can use any hot chili oil that is perhaps garlic based, not so much the Chinese hot chili oil. Finely diced onion, roughly chopped pecans, and our star ingredient, smoked oysters. I use a can of those. There are two keys to this dip. You want to get really good quality smoked oysters, and your cream cheese has to be at room temperature so that the ingredients can be incorporated easily. So I'm going to start by breaking up my cream cheese. Use a tea towel just to prevent your plate from sliding around, and just break up the oysters and the cream cheese. It's going to take a little patience, but it's well worth it. It's my hot chili oil. Now, if this cream cheese were cold, there would just be no way of incorporating all of the ingredients and breaking the cheese down. It would be really hard. So once you've got all of the ingredients incorporated, you just want to give it a nice round shape. Help yourself with one of these silicone spatulas. Helps you clean the sides as well. Okay, let's dig in. I love this dip so much. I think it's just the perfect marriage of ingredients. You know, the cream cheese with the smoky oysters, you get the crunchy walnuts, and the finely diced onion. It just gives that freshness to the dip. And the heat of the macha sauce, you know, if you have dried chili flakes, add them just for a little bit of heat, and it really uplifts this dip. Today I have whole grain crackers, but you can serve it with toasted baguettes. You can serve it with veggie sticks or any type of cracker that you really love. I tell you, this is amazing. You're really going to enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay safe, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and till next time, Chinita out.